Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, August 28th. Time is around 6:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and on the higher time frame, I was calling for a high here. So I believe we had our 5 waves up. We finished this wave one in the higher degree. There might still be a possibility that we make a marginal new high, so that this here was a wave 3, but that the wave 4 is not in yet, that we will make our wave 4 somewhere here, that we then have a last impulse to the upside as wave 5. But this is not my primary scenario. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I assume that our high was in here, and that we are now actually working here on this corrective wave 2. So far, I believe we did like a first leg of the correction, this wave W. So here I see an A, B, C pattern as this wave W. And then that would mean that we now get, something to the upside, some kind of rally to the upside, but a rally that eventually fails. And then we go further down as a wave Y. So this wave Y should again be some corrective pattern. We will see how exactly this will unfold. But so I think we are now heading towards this area here, the area where the wave X should end. And this is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So I think we are going there now. There might be a chance that the wave X is in here. This is the scenario indicated here in red, my secondary scenario. But yeah, if this would be the case, then we only have this shallow wave X here. And yeah, I cannot really make this my primary scenario. I prefer to stick to the guidelines as much as possible. So in order to have a wave X, we should go into this area here. However, these are markets, financial markets. Everything is possible. So if we get this shallow wave X, it is what it is, and then it would mean that yeah, we actually already started, for instance, our wave A to the downside. So our wave W, or excuse me, or wave Y should also be a corrective wave, so ABC structure. And then this could be like wave 1 and this wave 2 of wave A, 3, 4, 5, wave A, then wave B, and then wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this area. If if our wave X is in, then we know the target for our wave Y. If we take the length of wave W, the length of wave X, then here this becomes the target, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. But primary scenario, we first head into this area before going down again. This looks all good here in RSI, downward cycle. Now it looks like we're doing an upward cycle. And then I believe here at some point in this area, we can start again a downward cycle. If we look at the 1 hour, so now if we look more in detail to this corrective wave X here, I think this is again unfolding as a WXY structure. So as you can see, we are moving corrective. This is not really impulsive behavior, of course, in between, or like a wave Y can consist of an ABC. So in the ABC, you have an impulse as an A and a C, but you do not have these longer impulsive moves like we had before. In the DAX, we are clearly moving corrective. And so I think this corrective move as a wave X is also a WXY. So here our wave Y or wave W, excuse me, On wave W, we had an ABC pattern with a short wave C. I was quite successful last week in forecasting this wave C. Then, yeah, it looks like this here is again an ABC down as a wave X. I also gave you this area from where we could return here, from where I was expecting more upside, and this is eventually what is happening now. We are out of the area, so now let's see if it further holds, if we see more upside. We can have a look at the 15 minutes here for this final ABC structure to the upside. I would think that we are still working on our wave A in 5 waves, like 1, 2. Now we are doing our wave 3, 4, and then yeah, wave 5 to finish this wave A. Then we can do wave B to the downside, and then in a final wave C to the upside. There might be a chance that, for instance, like we had here a short wave C, that we now have a short wave A, that this was our B, that we may be now doing our wave C here to the upside. Could be like if we get a bit more data, I could decide on this, what I exactly would do with my wave count. But for now, this is not really so clear. But yeah, for now, I would still assume that we work on our wave A, then a wave B, and then a wave C to the upside. However, there might be a chance that wave A was in here, this short wave A, wave B down, and that we are now working on our wave C. So this is the target here, or wave X area. But remember, it can actually be enough if we take out this wave W here. Like as soon as we go above, take out this high here, it can be enough. So then our wave Y can be in, so that we end up here slightly below this area. This is yeah, this is something that can happen, that we have to be aware of. But normally I would expect to go into this area as an ABC, and then yeah, if we need to go into this area, then I would think wave A is here still ongoing. Then we go down again, some downside as a wave B, and then up again as a wave C into this area, and from here then downside again to start the second leg of our correction in the 4 hour. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.